OOP. The focus today is on designing a class to handle a specific mathematical entity, complex numbers, and crucially, showing the use of the constructor. The aim is simple: design a class complex for adding two complex numbers and demonstrate the constructor's role. The concept: complex numbers and the constructor. A complex number has two parts, a real part, a, and an imaginary part, by. We represent it as a plus by. When we add two complex numbers, say, a plus by, and c jod di, the rule is simple: we add the real parts together, and we add the imaginary parts together, a plus c, jod, b jod di, I. The constructor, _init__, is the function that initializes and sets up a complex number object when we first create it. Code breakdown: the complex class 1. The constructor, __init__. Code line concept explanation: def __init__, self, real, IMAG. Constructor definition: this method runs immediately when we create a new complex object, e.g., c1 equals complex 3, char. It accepts two arguments, the real and IMAG paths. Self, real equals real initializing attributes self, real and self, IMAG are the attributes, data, of our object. The constructor takes the input values, real, IMAG, and assigns them to these internal attributes. The object is now correctly initialized. Export to Sheets 2. The addition method, add, code line concept explanation: def add, self, other. Method definition: this method takes one argument, other, which will be the second complex number object we want to add to the current object, self. New_real equals self, real jod other, real part addition. We perform the mathematical rule. The new real part is the sum of the real part of the current object, self, real, and the real part of the other object, other, real. New_IMAG equals self, IMAG jod other, IMAG imaginary part addition. Similarly, the new imaginary part is the sum of the two imaginary parts. Return complex, new_real, new_IMAG. Returning a new object, we don't modify the original objects. Instead, the method returns a brand new complex object created using the calculated new_real and new_IMAG results. Export to Sheets 3. The display method, display, code line concept explanation: def display, self, display format. This method is for user-friendly output. It formats the output as a jod ya ghatav by. Sign equals, jod, if self, IMAG greater than equals 0 else. Sign handling: this uses a simple conditional statement to determine if the imaginary part is positive or negative, ensuring the correct sign is printed between the paths. Print, f, self, real, sign, abs, self, IMAG, I. Formatted output: we print the real part, followed by the correct sign, followed by the absolute value of the imaginary part, and finally the I. Export to Sheets execution and output 1. Object creation: OC1 equals complex 3, 4, calls the constructor, C1 is now 3 jod 4i, OC2 equals complex 5, minus 2, calls the constructor, C2 is now 5 ghatav 2i, 2. Addition: O result equals C1.